everyone and welcome to another video here on the World of Coasters. Today,
you're joined by me and I never get involved.
We are in Phantasialand at the moment in the Ling Bao Hotel. We were meant to be at Hotel Charles Lindbergh. Our reservation had to be cancelled due to the ride in the area being closed. They very kindly put us in this hotel with free park tickets and have allowed us to rebook our stay at Hotel Charles Lindbergh for free. So we basically got a 2 for 1 on this. But yeah, we'll give you a full room tour of our hotel room. This is a Zimmer room, room 209.
No, Zimmer means room, I think.
Oh, does it? So I think it's just a standard room, isn't it? It was listed as a Kaiser room, so that is the standard room. You get your key card here. I'm going to pop that in like so. I love the theming in this hotel. It is mad. Like you can just see from the corridor. Yeah, they don't close behind you. Good thing is you don't need to put your card in anywhere. So when you come into the room, your lights don't need to be, you don't have to put a card in to keep your lights on, is what I mean. Starting in the corridor, we've got the cupboard here. It's just a basic cupboard. There's nothing special in here. Some extra towels and a laundry bag. A couple of hangers to hang a few bits up. I love how light and airy this room is. Now, these rooms look like they were recently refurbished. We've got a fully themed ceiling in here.
And the TV's big. You'll see the TV.
Yeah, so we'll start in here and we'll work our way in. So we've got the bathroom here. Again, proper wooden door into this. Well, I think it's quite a beautiful.
It's gorgeous,
it's like really nicely done. Again, looks relatively new. Bathroom. It's me in the mirror. We've got another mirror here for when you want to get up close and personal. All very plush. You get your hand soaps and all that included. What's this here? A little time clock. Oh, that's cool. So the light on the side is on a timer. That's quite cool. Oh wait, no, it's a heat lamp. Just realised. So you get out of the shower, you can put the heat lamp on and stay nice and warm. I thought that was why I was going to be hot above my head. Shower here looks nice and standard, but again looks really nice. We haven't tried it yet, but
that's a small shower head though.
Yeah, should we run it? I mean, it's not a power shower, but it does look like it will do the job quite nicely. Again, there is a shampoo and conditioner. So this is a all-in-one shampoo and shower gel. Looks quite nice in a squeeze little bottle. Let's turn it off, wasting the hot water. But the water looks like it gets nice and hot, and the extract fan seems to work quite well. The big question we all ask, toilet. Looks like it's going to be a square seat. It's a square toilet with a round seat. Well done, Phantasialand. Moving down to here, we've got extra towels, hair dryer, anything in here. A little bin and a step for the children. Drawers, just empty. Storage area. Moving back out of the toilet now, we're heading into the main chamber. We've got an area to put your bags. We put both ours here. We've got air conditioning and all that.
Maybe a small stool is missing there.
No, that is for a bag to go on. That's what that's for.
But you've got the big mirror. That's all I'd say.
Possibly. I think that's just before you look before you go.
I suppose you do make
big old mirror, themed lanterns. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. Huge bed. What do you think?
It's really comfy.
That's good.
It's soft, which maybe. I mean, yeah. I was gonna say I like medium, but this is perfect.
But yeah, it's nice and bright in this room. We looked at some old pictures and they were like red, weren't they? And they were a bit dark and dull.
Yeah, I think
they've all been redone. But you only get one pillow. The benefit is this is a family room. Comes with a bunk bed, so we can actually nick the pillows off of this. Huge ladder on this. I like the effect on it. And that's not a fixed ladder, by the way. But again, these are like full size bunk beds, so an adult could technically sleep there if you had a large party. As Louise said, a huge TV, Samsung TV here.
Oh wait, that's probably all going to be jammed.
Yeah, I know, but that's part of the point of coming away, isn't it? We've then got a bottle of water on the side with your phone. Socket wise, let's have a quick top. So we've got 2 sockets here, of which one is actually a USB. We've got another socket down low. One with one on my side of the bed with a USB. What about yours? And again, one with a USB, which is good.
We're just getting cozy.
So yeah, socket wise, looks like there's plenty. There are more. There's another one down low here. So there's one in the bathroom. But yeah, very impressed with this room.
What about by the bunk beds? I doubt it.
Probably not. You don't really want the kiddie winks to be on their phones in bed, do you? Put her up here all nice and happy. But yeah, the best thing about this is we got an amazing room view. I just asked when they rebooked us, I said, can we get a theme park room view? Because obviously Rookberg is all themed up, so you're looking into the area. And yeah, here's the area of the area of China. That's all right, it's fine. And they've got all their Christmas lights going up at the moment. We can see Mystery Castle. So yeah, that's. I think.
Get out there. Is that like an emergency?
I think that's an emergency exit. It might be a balcony for one of the room next door. Yeah, have a look at that. So that's the hotel. There's a gardens down here, which is a bit cold and it's meant to rain tomorrow. But yeah, we love this park, don't we, Lou?
Oh, the tree! Look at the big Christmas tree.
I know, it's sparkling. You can see it behind the pillar here. But yeah, room with a view. Probably the only thing I could say is maybe we'd be higher up, but not complaining. So also, for those of you asking about the windows, huge wide opening window. Like this window is ginormous.
It's literally like a door.
So if it is hot in here, have it open. Seating area here. And there is another window over here, a little bit smaller, in case you're hot. You've got privacy curtains in them, of which when we came back from the theme park, someone on the ground floor was getting changed, and they had the net down, and let's just say you can see through them. Thankfully, they weren't fully undressed.
And you know, you just do that.
Yes. I think this is a really pleasant room, nice hotel. Like I say, I'm so thankful to Phantasialand for what they've done. They've been really good to us, giving us this room and then allowing us to reuse our booking. So like I say, we'll be back to do a Hotel Charles Lindbergh review as and when it's reopened. But yeah, if I've missed anything in this room tour, guys, don't forget to leave a question down below.
There is no fridge.
Yeah, there is no fridge in the standard rooms. However, you do get a bottle of water with 2 glasses. Like I say though, guys, if I've left anything out, put your comments down below. We'll get back to you. We are only here for one night, and then we're going to an external hotel. This was kind of like a treat because we were meant to be in Rookburg, and it's kind of an experience with dinner. Dinner isn't included here. It's an Oriental buffet. I think it's €33 each.
I don't know. I think we'll look at some reviews in a minute.
Well, yeah.
I mean, we booked it. So
I shall say we're going.
But...
also, one thing to note is your breakfast is included with this hotel. Normally, your park tickets are a bolt-on. However, because we had the Charles Lindbergh experience, that's meant to include your tickets. So they gave complimentary tickets to us on this booking.
Yeah.
But yeah, really nice, light, airy hotel room. Yeah, if you turn all the lights off. But yeah, if you like this video, guys, by all means leave a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos coming very soon.
More room tours.
Yeah, see you later. Woo!
Bye.